Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Reon Tech TV, and today in this session we are continuing on the UI UX development series for Appian. Today I have a new component to showcase for the dashboard design. There are some scenarios where you have to allow Appian to showcase a document in a viewer. So just like we are having Chrome PDF viewer to download and open PDF documents, similarly we are having a document viewer component in Appian, which is providing us nothing but a function called a bank document viewer field. So which is having label position, instructions, and other fields as properties. So label and label position, you already know it. Instructions is also something that's common and help tooltip. The main thing is document. Document is something that you have to provide the source of the document to be displayed. So we'll talk about it later in the practical. And then we are having a conditional visibility Boolean flag. Then we are having height, short, medium, tall, and then we are having alternative text for assistive technology. And then we are having some disabled properties like if the user is prevented from interacting with the document, so if you put it as true, so the document viewer will not allow the user to interact with it, scroll with it, zoom in, zoom out, kind of like that. And yeah, accessibility text for screen readers and stuff. Margin above and margin below are like visual component changes. Now there are some scenarios which do not allow to be used it in offline mobile. So this is something that we have to take care of. In portals, you can use this document viewer definitely. So let's come to the practical implementation directly and see how it works. Let's create a new fresh interface, new interface for. So here we are going to document viewer, writing the document viewer field function, document viewer field. Now this is a normal function with respect to different properties. So we have label. Label is at testing doc. Label position will be above. Next, we have instructions. Subscribe to Crayon Tech. Next, help tooltip. Don't forget to like. And yeah, document. Document is something that we have to provide it as a source. So we can effectively use constant to provide the value. Now, before creating a constant which will be pointing to a particular document, we have to find which document you want to point to. So do we have a temp document inside our knowledge center? UP artifacts. Uh, we are having a profile picture as JPEG. So let's see, do we have a document? Let's filter the document. No, we don't have a document. So let's find out temp PDF document, temp PDF document, and hit enter. So just download the temporary PDF document. Now we have downloaded the document. Coming back to the document here, we require a constant to point to. So as we are having the document, so first create new document, upload the document, and click on next. Now let's keep the name as same. It is always prompting us to create a constant for this documents. Right now we have the ability to check it, and obviously the constant will be created automatically. So this constant is now pointing to this document, right? So let's grab this constant and do cons bang and paste this constant name. The moment we have this constant, we can see that this document is being popped up in the document viewer. Next, we are having show when condition and other properties. I don't think we require to see each one of them. I think let's see disabled. So if we make disabled as true, so this document viewer is showing the document, but the user is not allowed to actually interact with the document viewer. So you can see that yes, this is a document that everything is fine. We are loading the document, but you cannot click on it, get it, interact it other than the tooltip. So this is something that I want to showcase you as a document viewer field, which are having the important properties. Everything is there, which is explained. And there are some meta properties like which are available for other components in the same manner, like margin above, margin below, accessibility text for screen readers, and alternative text that you can pop up with the values. And yeah, height is short, medium, tall. If you can see that short, medium, tall. So if I don't do it, the disable, and if I change the height as tall, you can see the height has been changed. And this is something that is usually utilized with document based applications where you are either processing a document or you are like providing a document for the user to review, or some manager, or like there is some assignee which has to review the document and then we have to approve or designate a particular step ahead to this current process. So this is the case where we can use a document viewer field. And if you really like my explanation, drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you really want to know any other topic other than this. I'm continuing on the UI UX development series, and I'll be uploading all the lectures related to best practices to UI in the coming series. So don't forget to subscribe. This is my fuel of motivation. Thank you.